Hello, it's David here from LAM Communications. About a week ago we acquired what could have been only described as a cancelled commercial order, and this is radio that actually came in from that, and we have quite a few of these and they're all brand new, unused, but they will be sold as sort of technically used old stock units. This is a VX-1700 Yaesu. Well, it's actually a Vertex standard, but most people know it as Yaesu. It's the commercial version. Frequency selector here, I've got it in the 1 kHz steps. This can be changed, and you can program it, and I've altered these here. That one's the encryption. It's not in on this unit, unfortunately, but there you go. This is I think that'll be the squelch. Yep. Down here you've got the power levels. I've programmed this, it didn't do this at first. And then you've got up in the 1 meg steps. And you can also go direct entry keypad as well, so 28, enter, and then the TX frequency. If you don't need to change it, just enter again, and it'll transmit and receive 28 megs. The connectivity on the back is pretty much the same as what you would find on the back of a 450, including the DC socket, which is the square variety, speaker on the front. And if Joe would pause the video, we're going to take a look at what else came in with it. And we're back again. As stated, VX-1700. We've got a few. Also came in, we have some SGC 230 smart tuners. I think these are 7-foot mobile whips, badged as a Yaesu, RSM10 on the bracket. So as I said, cancelled commercial order. Also came in, I think we've got a couple of tar heels that arrived. They've never been used. And further to that, we also got a little something else. If you did want to use it in a mobile application, Joe will follow me. We've got some Barker and Williamson antennas, unused. Folded dipole variety. The model number maybe around there, BWD90 is the model number. Okay, that's all for now. I'll make another video shortly. Bye.